I'd like to discuss the global components specific to Compass design. Let me just log into the Compass dashboard. So we should go to app that Team Luxury Presence and impersonate one of the demo accounts. Let me just dive in a little bit. Or we have this demo website. You can just go to main and we have the global components. When we say global components, this is equivalent to, or let me just dive in directly to the global components. So we can go here. So we have all of this. These are basically the, or let me just create a preview so that you can have a visual understanding of what global components are. So if we're going to the main tab, we have the fonts, social media, menus, and widgets. These are the global components. So we can just go to the main. All we can see here is just the favicon or fab icon, and we have all the logo here, the Google Tag Manager. This is for the team of Miles, script tag, and so on. So for the fonts, of course, I'll be creating a separate video discussing about when and what are the cases where we will be changing the fonts of the clients. But by default, we do not change the fonts because this is by default a Compass design or one of the Compass designs. So we should use the default Compass fonts. So we also have the social media, and yeah, because we're using it in the global context. What do I mean by the global context? We're using it on the contact overlay. At the same time, we have also other areas like the footer, and yeah, these are basically the location of the social media. And another one is the menus. So these are global components. When you say global components, you just need to set this in one place, and this will be duplicated from one page to another page. Like if we're going to go to the about page, so the same component is being rendered. So the same menu item and the side menu items. And another thing is, of course, you can just set all the global settings for the menus, and this is for the side menu. And yeah, if you can see this little like the 9 dots button, and you can also see the from the mouse pointer to this selection. So, and you can just select and it will open all the settings. And I'll be discussing a bit of how to really tweak this. And of course, the widgets are like the headers. You can just set the logo, and you can just play around like left links and so on. You have the work with us. This is where we set the global work with us. You don't need to set that in every page. The feed, if you're familiar with the feed, this one pertains to I think it's not rendering in our platform, but let me go to the, no, we don't have that feed. So the user feed, or basically this is the where we can just hook in the we can grab pictures data from Instagram or Facebook using the user feed API. We also have the footer and footer are footer settings. You can just modify all of these using this text and every content in the footer or on the footer using the this. What else? And of course the header. You have the logo name and contact overlay. This one pertains to this. So you can just set all the necessary information. And of course the login pop-up. These are the global components. So what else do we have here? We have, yeah, it's all that we have for the global components. So let me know if you have question related to the global components. Thank you.